Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll determine the exact value of this trigonometry expression. The expression is cosecant 240 degrees times cotangent 390 degrees plus sine 135 degrees minus cos squared negative 90 degrees. Let's start with the first term, cosecant 240 degrees times cotangent 390 degrees. As you may know, cosecant is the reciprocal ratio for sine. The first step is to change cosecant into sine ratio. We can write cosecant 240 degrees as 1 over sine 240 degrees. Now we can simplify cotangent 390 degrees. 390 degrees is greater than 360 degrees. The angle value around a circle, we should reduce this angle 390 degrees by subtracting 360 degrees from it. I get 30 degrees. Since 30 degrees is less than 360 degrees, we can rewrite cotangent 390 degrees as cotangent 30 degrees. There is a very important step we need to understand to simplify a term like this. Next, we have to simplify sine of 135 degrees. Angle 135 degrees lies in quadrant 2. As per the CAST rule or the ASTC rule, sine is positive in quadrant 2. The reference angle or the related acute angle for 135 degree can be found by subtracting 135 degrees from 180 degrees. I get 45 degrees. Since sine ratio is positive in quadrant 2, we can write sine 135 degrees as sine 45 degrees. There is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize for an angle in quadrant 2. Next, we can simplify cos squared negative 90 degrees. This is a negative angle. The first step is to change this negative angle into a positive angle. We can do that by subtracting 90 degrees from 360 degrees. I get 270 degrees. So cos squared negative 90 degrees can be written as cos squared 270 degrees. This is another concept we need to understand to convert a negative angle into a positive angle. We are done with this step. Now we can simplify the terms further. We have to simplify sine 240 degrees. 240 degrees lies in quadrant 3. As per the CAST rule or the ASTC rule, sine is negative in quadrant 3. We can find the reference angle or the related acute angle for 240 degrees by subtracting 180 degrees from 240 degrees. I get 60 degrees. So we can write sine of 240 degrees as negative sine 60 degrees. Because sine is negative in quadrant 3. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize for angles in quadrant 3. Next, we can simplify cotangent 30 degrees. Cotangent is the reciprocal ratio for tangent. So we can write cotangent 30 degrees as 1 over tan 30 degrees. As per the unit circle or the special triangle for 45 degree angle, sine of 45 degrees is equal to 1 over square root 2 or square root 2 over 2 in rationalized form. As per the unit circle or graph of cos function, cos of 270 degrees is equal to 0. So we are done with this step. Next, we can find the value of sine 60 degrees and tan 30 degrees. Next, we can use the unit circle or special triangle for 60 degrees to find the value of sine 60 degrees. As per the unit circle or the special triangle, sine of 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2. As per the unit circle or the special triangle for 30 degrees, tan of 30 degrees is equal to 1 over square root 3. Zero square is 0. 1 over negative square root 3 over 2 can be simplified by flipping the bottom fraction and multiplying it to 1. There is a very important concept we need to understand to simplify an expression like this. We can do the same for the second expression, 1 over square root 3. We can ignore the 0. Now we can multiply the terms. 1 times negative 2 over square root 3 is equal to just negative 2 over square root 3. And 1 times square root 3 over 1 is just square root 3. Next, we can multiply the terms negative 2 over square root 3 times square root 3. The denominator of square root 3 is 1. We can multiply these fractions by multiplying the top terms and the bottom terms. I get negative 2 square root 3 over square root 3 plus square root 2 over 2. Next, we can cancel out the square root 3's. Next, we can combine these terms by finding a common denominator. The denominator of negative 2 is 1. The common denominator is 2. We should multiply negative 2 over 1 by 2 in the numerator and denominator. Next, we can combine the fractions. This should be the final answer for the exact value of the given expression. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.